Hello guys, welcome to my session. Let us discuss this question. This is y square minus x cube, okay, into dx is equal to, this is x into y into dy. I can write this as dx by dy, okay, dy by dx is equal to y square minus x cube, okay, and whole divided by xy. Now dy by dx is equal to, okay, now dy by dx is equal to, if I divide by xy, you get y square divided by xy, okay, minus this is x cube divided by xy. Now this dy by dx, okay, and then minus, you should, this y will cancel with the square, you get minus y upon x is equal to minus x square by y. Okay, now follow carefully. This is Bernoulli's differential equation. That is, this is of the form, okay, Bernoulli's differential equation is also in syllabus of JEE, guys. This is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q y to the power of n. In linear differential equation, you get dy by dx plus py is equal to q only, where p and q are constants or functions of x. But here you have q y power n. Okay, so what I'll do is, if I want to bring it to reducible to linear differential equation, if I multiply by if I multiply y by y here, okay, multiply throughout by y, both sides by y. If you multiply by y, so this becomes y into dy by dx, minus this is y square upon x, okay, is equal to minus x square, okay, is equal to minus x square. Now what I'll do is, after this I'm going to put y square equal to t. If I differentiate, you get 2y into dy by dx. 2y into dy by dx is equal to dt by dx. Okay, and from this you can write y into dy by dx. Y into dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into dt by dx. Okay, so this is y into dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into dt by dx. Okay, this is minus t by x is equal to minus x square. If you cross multiply these two, you get dt by dx, dt upon dx minus 2 by x into t, okay, is equal to minus 2x square. Now this is of the form, now I reduced to the linear differential equation form, right? So this is dt by dx. Now I brought to linear differential equation form. Okay, so this is dt by dx plus pt equal to q. This is dt by dx, okay, and then this plus pt equal to q. Now p is equal to minus 2 by x, okay, and then q is equal to minus 2x square, Now integrating factor will be equal to, okay, integrating factor is equal to e per integration p dt. So this is e per integration of, the value of p will be equal to minus 2 by x, okay, minus p dx. P and q are constants of functions of x only now. So this is e per integral p dx. So this is equal to, p will be equal to minus 2 by x. This is minus 2 by x dx. This is e to the power of minus 2, integration of 1 by x is log x. Okay, so minus 2 log x can be written as log x to the power of minus 2. So you get this as x to the power of minus 2, and that's equal to 1 by x square. Okay, now solution will be equal to t into integrating factor. T will be t into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor, okay, and then dx plus c. Okay, t into integrating factor, t will be equal to, okay, t into if is equal to 1 by x square, okay, is equal to integral q into integrating factor, okay, q will be equal to minus 2x square, if will be equal to 1 by x square, okay, and then dx plus c. Right, anyways this will cancel, this x square will cancel with x square. The value of t will be equal to value of t I took y square na, so this is equal to y square, so this is y square upon x square, okay, is equal to minus integration of dx is x and plus c. Let's call this as equation 1. Okay, so it's given in the question. Okay, so c should be there, guys. So c will be there in the answer. So I'm going to write, if I cross multiply, you get this as y square is equal to minus x cube. Okay, so c will be there. So if I cross multiply, y is equal to minus x cube plus cx square. Okay, you shift on the left side, you will get this as y square. Okay, y square is equal to, so this is equal to 2x square. This is 2 I missed here. So this is integration of 2 dx is 2. If I cross multiply, you get 2x cube. Shift on the left side, y plus 2x cube. Okay, and c is a constant. You shift to the left side is still a constant only. So you get this is plus cx square. I repeat myself, guys. C is a constant. Minus c is also a constant. So that's the answer, guys. So you get y square plus 2x cube plus cx square. Okay, is equal to 0. Answer is option B. Y square plus 2x cube plus cx square. Okay, let's move to the next question. Again, linear differential equation. If I divide throughout by x, so this becomes dy by dx, okay, is equal to, okay, dy by dx plus 2 by x into y. Okay, so this is dy by dx plus this is 2 by x into y is equal to x. Okay, now this is of the form dy by dx plus p by equal to q. So p will be equal to, p is equal to 2 by x, okay, and then q is equal to x. Integrating factor is equal to e power integral p dx. So this is equal to e to the power of 2 is a constant, integration of 1 by x dx. Okay, so 2 integration of 1 by x is log x. 2 log x can be written as log x square. E power log x square is equal to x square. Okay, now the solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor, and then dx plus c. So y into if is equal to x square is equal to integral q into if. Q will be equal to x into if is equal to x square and then dx plus c. So you get y into x square is equal to, you get x cube dx plus c. Okay, so you get y is equal to y into x square is equal to x to the power of 4 divided by 4 and plus c. Okay, let us call this as equation 1. It is given in the question that y of 1 equal to 1. That is, when x is 1, y is 1. You get 1 is equal to 1 by 4 plus c. So c is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, the c is equal to 3 by 4. If I substitute in equation 1, you get y into x square. Y into x square is equal to x to the power of 4 divided by 4 plus 3 upon 4. Okay, so what am I supposed to find? What is y of half? That is, when x is equal to half, okay, what should be the value of y? That is a question. So when x is equal to half, what should be the value of y? That is, you get this is 1 by y into 1 by 2 the whole square, y by 4 is equal to 2 power 4. So this is 1 by 4 y to the power of 4. 2 power 4 is 16. Okay, and then plus 3 by 4. So this is 4 into 16 plus this is 3 upon 4. If I cross multiply 4, you get 1 upon 16. Okay, plus 3. 16 into 3 is 48 plus 1 is 49. So you get 49 upon 16. Okay, answer will be equal to option C. You just simplify this, guys. There's no space, I will write here. So this, if you cross multiply, 1 upon 16 plus 3 can be written as y equal to, okay, 49 upon 16. That's the answer. Answer is option C only. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, now it is given in the question that dy by dx is equal to fx. We'll find out the value of fx. Okay, so how will I find the value of fx? It's also given in the question that f of 0 cannot be 0. In this particular condition, f of x into y is equal to fx into fy. What I'll do is I'll put y equal to 0. If I put y equal to 0, you get f of 0 is equal to fx. Okay, fx into f of 0. Is it okay? So fx cannot be 0 now. It's already given in the question. I can cancel this. So you get fx is equal to 1. Once I get fx is equal to 1, if I substitute here, you get dy by dx is equal to 1. Okay, cross multiply, you get dy is equal to dx. Integrate both the sides, you get y is equal to x plus c. Okay, call this as equation 1. It is given in the question that y of 0 is equal to 1. That is when x is equal to 0, y equal to 1. So you get this as 1 is equal to c. Okay, substitute back the value of c in equation 1. You get y is equal to x plus 1. Okay, so now I am supposed to find out what is y of 1 upon 4 plus y of 3 upon 4. Okay, 1 upon 4 will be equal to 1 up c will be 1, right? So this is x plus 1. Y is equal to x plus 1. So y upon 1 by 4 is 1 by 4 plus 1. This is 3 by 4 plus 1. Okay, so if you add all this, you get 3. So answer is option B. Okay, let's move to the next question, guys. If I multiply by cos square, okay, if you take LCM cos square or you multiply by cos square throughout, why? 1 by cos sec, right? So it's already in standard form, guys. So this is dy by dx plus 3 into 1 by cos is equal to sec. So this is sec square x. Sec square x into y, okay, is equal to sec square x. So that's already in standard form. But this is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Py equal to q, p is equal to 3 sec square. P is equal to 3 sec square x and q is equal to sec square x. Okay, now integrating factor is equal to e power integral p dx. So this is equal to 3 into integration of sec square x dx. So this is equal to e to the power of 3 into integration of sec square x is tan x. Okay, now the solution is y into if is equal to integral q into if and then dx plus c. Okay, now y into if will be equal to e to the power of 3 tan x. Okay, is equal to integral q into fx. Q will be equal to sec square. Okay, and then e to the power of 3 tan x. 3 tan x. Okay, and then dx plus c. What I'll do is I'm going to put tan x is equal to t. So sec square x dx is equal to dt. Sec square x dx is equal to dt. So this becomes y into e to the power of 3 tan x. 3 tan x is equal to, so this is e to the power of 3t. Sec square x dx is equal to dt and then plus c. Y into e to the power of 3 tan x. Okay, is equal to e to the power of 3t is e to the power of 3t divided by 3. Okay, and then plus c. So this is e to the power of 3t divided by 3 and plus c. Okay, so if I substitute the value of t, you get y into e to the power of 3 tan x. Okay, y into e to the power of 3 tan x is equal to e to the power of 3 tan x whole divided by 3 and plus c. Okay, now it is given in the question, if I use the boundary values now, y of pi by 4 is equal to 4 by 3. That is when x is equal to pi upon 4. Okay, y is equal to, when x is equal to pi upon 4, y is equal to 4 by 3. This is 4 by 3, tan 45 is 1, is equal to tan 45 is 1 divided by 3 and plus c. So c is equal to eq. Okay, substitute the value of c now in equation 1. So equation 1 becomes equation 1 becomes y into e to the power of 3 tan x. 3 tan x is equal to e to the power of 3 tan x, okay, upon 3 plus this is e cube. Okay, now I'm supposed to find out what is y of minus pi by 4. That is, when x is equal to minus pi by 4, what should be the value of y? Y into e to the power of minus 3, okay, is equal to e to the power of minus 3 divided by 3 plus this is e cube. Okay, so this is y by e cube is equal to 1 by 3 e cube, okay, and then plus e cube. If you cross multiply e cube, okay, so if you cross multiply e cube, you get y is equal to 1 upon 3 plus e to the power of 6. That's the answer, guys. Okay, that's the first option. Let's move to the next question, question number 10. Okay, the slope of the tangent to the curve amongst the family of curve represented by the differential equation. Okay, so I can write this as x square minus y square into dx is equal to minus 2xy. I can also write dy by dx, okay, is equal to minus of this is x square minus y square divided by 2xy. So this is dy by dx is equal to y square minus x square divided by 2xy. Okay, it's a homogeneous differential equation. I'm going to put y equal to vx. Alright, you can group them also. You can do the method of grouping as well. So if I put y equal to dv by dx, if I substitute here, you get v plus x into dv by dx. Okay, is equal to y is equal to vx. So this becomes v square x square. So this is v square x square minus x square divided by 2x, y is equal to vx. So you take x square common and cancel. So this becomes v plus x into dv by dx. Okay, is equal to, if I take x square common and cancel, you will get v square minus 1 upon 2v. Okay, so plus v you shift on the right side, you get x into dv by dx is equal to v square minus 1 upon 2v, and then this is minus v. X into dv by dx is equal to, okay, v square minus 1 minus 2v square divided by 2v. So x into dv by dx is equal to, okay, v square minus 1, v square minus 2v square is minus v square minus 1 divided by 2v. So 2v divided by v square plus 1 into dv is equal to minus dx divided by x. Okay, now integrate both the sides and plus the constant c. So this is log of v square plus 1. You differentiate denominator, you get numerator is equal to minus log x, and then plus c can be written as log c. Log m plus, if you shift on the left side, log of v is equal to y square by x square plus 1 plus log x, okay, is equal to log c. Log m plus log n is log m into n. This will be equal to log of v square plus 1 b square plus x square divided by x square, okay, into x is equal to log c. Okay, this x will cancel with the square. If you equate the corresponding values, you get y square plus x square upon x is equal to c. You cross multiply, you get y square plus x square is equal to cx. Okay, now it is given in the question, it will pass through the point 1 comma 1. So if I put x is equal to 1 and y equal to 1, y square plus x square is equal to x. So this is x square plus y square. If I put x is equal to 1, y equal to 1, c will be 2, right? If you put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, you call this is equation 1, you will get 1 plus 1 is equal to c, so c is equal to 2. So from this I can write x square plus y square is equal to 2x. So I can write x square plus y square minus 2x is equal to 0. Okay, now the center will be equal to divide by 2 and change the sign. This will be equal to 1 comma 0. So it's a circle whose center lies on x-axis. Okay, it's a circle whose center lies on x-axis. Answer is option B. Thanks for watching, guys.